Shopify sent me an award for 10,000 orders, and this is the second time they've done this. So this is the Shopify award here. This is the 10k orders plaque. As you can see, it says milestones underneath here, and there's kind of like a letter that comes with it. Then the box says the start of something special. I'll try and zoom into that. I'm using a different camera angle right now, so everything looks a little bit skewed. So in this envelope, there's a letter. I'm pretty sure this is an automated letter. I don't think they write it themselves, but I'll read it to you guys who are just curious about what the award is and the letter inside of it and what it says, just maybe because you're working towards it yourself. So basically, you can freeze the video right now. This is the message in the letter. I'll try and freeze frame it there or zoom in just so you can read it and you can pause. But basically it says, welcome, you've made it. You've reached a pivotal moment in your entrepreneurship journey, one that deserves something extra special, your first Shopify milestone. So for those of you who don't know, 10k orders is the first award, and then the second one I think is 100k orders, and I think then they have a 1 million orders. Now the downside is though, is it's quite hard to jump from the 10k to the 100k, because this is my second 10k award. I've been meaning to unbox this for quite a while now, but now that I'm returning to YouTube, I thought it was a good time to make this video. But to get from 10k orders to 100k orders is really tough, right? It's easy to get 2 of these awards like I've done for 10k. And one problem with this is you'll see in a moment that the colour of this award is exactly the same colour as the 100k award. They're both silver, so even if you get that extra push to get those bigger numbers, you're going to get the same looking award, which is kind of a little bit annoying. You would hope that you'd have like different coloured awards, but you actually need to get the 1 million orders award to get a gold one, which is pretty tough. Obviously if you run a brand for a few years, definitely still possible. 10,000 lifetime orders is an accomplishment that starts with you, and it's no small feat. The start of an entrepreneur's journey is packed with promise and potential. Throughout the daily hustle of packing and stacking, of building and believing, you understood that every order was an opportunity for improvement and a chance to grow your business to where it is today. This Shopify milestone is a testament to how far your business has come, forged from that very first order and molded to withstand anything that comes your way. Go ahead, take a bow, because this deserves a celebration. You're now in an exclusive community of top Shopify merchants worldwide who overcome the challenges of starting up and have turned their focus now to a new goal: 100,000 lifetime orders. Because they're basically saying once you get this, you're going straight to the 100k next. So they're already setting the next goal for you. I do like that. Here's to 10x more. Will be with you every step of the way. Your friends at Shopify. Now I think the original award, I think the first time I got this, I might be wrong, I think it said the name of the CEO, Harley Finkelstein I think he's called, but this version doesn't. I might be wrong. I might have watched someone's video on 100k or a million orders, but I swear my first award said that in. So I swear this is actually a downgrade. I think we've just got a generic message now from Shopify, not a generic message from the CEO, which is a shame. But as we know, the real people are not going to sign it, but it's still a nice sentiment because they don't have to send these awards out, right? Because when I got the YouTube award, that was really nice too. Obviously it costs them to produce these things, right? So they're just doing it so you feel like a sense of accomplishment, and then you keep using the platform, which is smart. Anyway, this is the box. It says 10k on it, and then it says Shopify milestones around here, as you can see. And we'll just open it up. Yet again, I'm really working to figure out how this camera angle works because I've moved my camera, which is why you can also see my precarious room situation as well. Right, so we can lift the box lid off, and the box lid kind of has this black felt texture inside, this velvet kind of felt, which is quite nice actually. And then inside you have the award. Now I think the award has a few minor stains on it, which is a shame. I think it's got some kind of black print near the top, like this little bit of a stain, but hopefully it'll still look nice. It's still got that shine in it. So it's a silver award, as you can see, and it is fully 3D. I don't know how they produce these. I don't know if it's made out of metal, but it's very weighty. So it's basically in the shape of a shopping bag, right? That's the whole idea of it. And it's got a really nice glint to the glass. So yeah, it's nice to have. It weighs quite a bit for what it is. It's obviously cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap. And this is very solid stuff, right? So it'd be interesting to know what this is made out of. Then the bottom is that same black felt texture which we had on the lid. So it's basically the same texture on the bottom. So that's so it rests on the surface like this. I guess, so it's protected. Now there is some like black fibers on the top here. They're probably just from that weird felt texture again. I'm gonna have to blur this in editing, so I'm gonna put my finger here just because it's a lot easier, less intensive in edit. But it basically just says congratulations, and it says 10k orders, and underneath my finger is actually one of my store names, which I don't want to expose. Then it says the date which we got it. So I'm going to show you the award now in like a still position, and then I can just blur it. So it basically says congratulations for reaching, then the store name, 10,000 orders, and at the bottom it says the date you've reached it. So I'll leave the Shopify award here. I just thought this would be a cool video just to unbox this and then start back up on YouTube, because all these gurus are just telling you these strategies. You don't know if they work, but they're not actually showing you that they have a 10k orders plaque. I've showed you two. I'll show you the end of the video and link below that I uploaded a video like a year ago with the first one, so that proves that we've got 20,000 orders. So always trust but verify, right, if people are giving you information. Then you have some kind of like Shopify milestones receipt. This said this award was expertly crafted by Christo International, the exclusive manufacturer of Shopify milestones. From custom recognition awards to full service program solutions, Christo helps drive brand growth by bringing visions to life. And then it just says Shopify milestones. So that's basically the company that makes them. And then you get like a nice white cloth with like Shopify milestones kind of etched into it that you can clean the award with, which to be honest I might use because I think it has all this like black felt fibers on it. And it's actually tickling my throat. And then it just says, now tell the world. So overall, it's a pretty nice box. So we'll put these items back in and we'll close the box. So yeah. So for anyone who's wondering what the Shopify awards look like, this is the award for 10,000 orders. This is white in colour. If you can't tell, it's like a white shopping bag. It's got kind of like a silver reflective glass kind of piece at the front, and you get this if you get 10k orders and if your store's legit, okay? Because I'm pretty sure you don't get this if you have a dodgy store. So that's also a thing, so you can't really cheat your way to it. But yeah, you can get one of these. This is the second one. We had 2 stores that did pretty well. Hopefully we'll get more success in 2026 because we've been out of the game for the last few weeks, but we're picking up a bit of momentum. So this should hopefully show you guys who want to earn one of these, maybe inspire you a little bit and show you what it's all about. So if you want to learn, I'm going to be posting a ton of free ecom content. Whatever I learn, I'm going to post on this channel. I am in a few communities right now learning the most up-to-date strategies, then going out and testing them for myself, and then whatever works I'm going to show you guys on this channel. And I'm also going to share it in my private community. I'll leave the link to that down below. That's on my website if you want to join there. I post all my up-to-date strategies in there. I'm going to work on posting some more learning and videos in there in the next few weeks. And there's some big changes coming this year, particularly to Facebook, so I do want to share that on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned, smash the like button, let me know any questions you have in the comments below, maybe about the award or general dropshipping, and I'm going to try and bring some more videos to the channel and get it back up rolling, because we haven't really uploaded here since the summer. I've just dropped 2 videos and the channel's pretty dead, so I need all the support I can get. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep posting free stuff, and I'll try and put like 1 or 2 videos on the screen, other dropshipping videos that might interest you, and you can check those out as well.